Hey guys, and welcome back to Renee GTV. Today we're going to can meatballs. And I do have a mozzarella meatball recipe on my channel that I show you guys how to do. But that's not really suitable for canning, so I've kind of adapted that. And what we're going to start out with is about 4 pounds of ground beef. You're going to use the leanest beef that you can get. We're also going to add a medium onion minced and also 2 cloves of garlic minced, and we're just going to place that in with our meat. Then we're going to add 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of canning salt, and 1½ teaspoons of black pepper. And we're also just going to put that in, and then we're going to combine this all together. Okay, so I used about 1.5 tablespoons of meat to make each meatball. We're going to brown these on all sides and get these ready to go. We have all of our meatballs. I think it made 60, almost 70 for 4 pounds of ground beef. We're going to take, and we're using wide mouth pints. We're just going to place about 10 or so into each jar. You don't want to overfill them, but you do kind of want to get them in there as best as you can. Okay, then we're going to add beef bouillon, and this is dried, so we're actually going to add 2 teaspoons to each jar. And then we're going to get our boiling water ready and our canner hot. So 2 teaspoons. Might have been a little over. Okay. I have my boiling water, and we're going to fill this up to 1 inch of headspace. And we're going to do that on each of them. Okay, so we're just going to debubble easily here. You're not going to want to break apart all your meatballs. You can also tap it on the counter gently, and that will help release any of the extra air. We're going to do that with all of our jars. And we're going to clean the rim of each jar really well. We're going to take a hot lid, and we're going to place on our ring, and we're going to place these in our canner, in our hot canner. Okay, so we have our canner on medium high, and we're going to wait for that to vent. We're going to process our pints for 75 minutes. At 15 pounds a second. Okay guys, we're venting a steady stream of steam. We're going to do that for 10 minutes. Then we're going to place our weight on, And we're going to let it come up to pressure, and then we're going to start our processing time. Okay guys, so here are the meatballs. They came out really nice. They held their shape. Pretty excited about these. I'll be bringing you guys back in the near future for some recipes on how we use not only our meatballs, but some of the other items that we've canned as well. I'm still going to have cakes and desserts and fun things on the channel as well. I just like to do many things and bring that to you guys too. So of course, if there's anything that you want to see specifically, leave it down below. And as always guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.